guys. Shout out to all. I hope everybody's doing well. Sana nasa mabuti tayong lahat. Mga guys, lalo na sa ating mga nasa malayo, nandito sa abroad. Sana lagi tayo mag-ingat. And thankful tayo kay God kasi okay naman tayo. Safe na safe. Yun lang, hindi tayo makalabas. We cannot go outside for walking because too much hot, and I cannot go also to the park having exercise because too hot during my off days, sleeping, eating. So now I've become fat. Lumaki ang bilbi. I've become fat, guys. See? So, first of all, I would like to thank to those who came to my live yesterday and my small YouTube channel. I would like to thank Mr. Lee Songzon all the way from China, and Sisikoy Timbatri Bat Isnuti all the way from USA. Shout out Sisikoy, maraming salamat. And of course, one of my best friend here in White World and very close of mine, and kalahi ko Igorot, but Miss Laren Directo is pure Igorot, and I am only Miss Tisa. And Sisikoy Laren Directo all the way from Baguio City. Of course, basta Baguio City, Igorot, may lahing Espanyol. May lahi kaming Espanyals. Kasi yung mga ninuno namin, mga Espanyol na lahian. And of course, to Maring D. Shout out also to Maring D. Thank you so much, Sisikoy, Maring D. And of course, Nils TV, thank you so much. Adding Nils, all the way from UK, United Kingdom, thank you so much. And of course, Yami Pa TV, thank you so much, Sisikoy. And Zoil TV, thank you. And Kan Shahid Tuba, thank you so much for staying my live yesterday. So thank you so much, guys, and to all of you. And of course, to all my Sisikoy, shout out to all of you, my friends, and also my friends here in this platform. Shout out everyone. Thank you so much for your support. And I love you all, guys. I love you all. And of course, shout out to our beloved idol here in this platform. Shout out also. And I would like to shout out to my friends in Davao City. Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Conce. And Sisikoy Beatriz Pin TV. And of course, na-meet na nila si Sisikoy Zoe TV and Sisikoy Miss Health and Beauty. Hi mga Sisikoy, I miss you. When I go home, I'll come also to visit you in Davao. Sisikoy, shout out. I miss you all. Nakita ko yung video nyo, sinend ni Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Conce. Of course, shout out also to Ma'am Banji Muhammad, Gina Tunggalang, Sandrose, and Lonely Girl. Siyempre aking kapatid Juliet and Vlad. Shout out all the way from Kuwait. Very, very intelligent, excellent chef, supervisor. Juliet and Vlog, or Juliet Navarro Pugay. Juliet Nieva Pugay. Juliet po ganyan ba? Binabaliktad ko na si shout out sa'yo. And to all of you guys, I cannot mention already all your names, but shout out everyone. Thank you for your support for my very simple videos. Although I'm not a famous, but I don't need a famous, important people have famous heart to everybody, and our heart number one, famous to God the most. It's this is not a competition. I don't like to have any competition. But only this is our good vibes, just for fun. And I'm only one, Rose the Melon Black. Only Rose the Melon Black. Nobody else. And thank you all of you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, Holy Marie, shout out Holy Marie. Gandang babaeng pinagpala. Gandang babaeng pinagpala. Of course, I want to shout out also my youngest son, Nana Sagada. Ingat kayo dyan sa Sagada, anak. My youngest son, Richard, nasa Sagada. Ingat kayo dyan. Sisikoy, Nana Haniway Kisi. Sisikoy, Tabibing Ilog. Sisikoy, Timpat kay Batisnote. Sisikoy, Agbiag Blagat Conce. Sisikoy, Beatrice Pen TV, Dora Vlog, Sisikoy Charlie Estrada, shout out. And to all my Sisikoy, shout out everyone. Love Travel Music, Alikasus GM, and Mayumi 888. Sino pa? Lahat kayo dyan, hindi ko na kayo mabanggit lahat. Shout out everyone. Shout out also to Sisikoy Laren Director, Jalai Channel, was very supportive also. And Told Your Music Guitar, and Coach Samuing TV all the way from New York City, and Noel De Guzman all the way from Italy. Thank you for your support, guys. Hanggang dito na lang, hanggang sa muli. Till next time. Thank you. Thank you. Muchas gracias, mi amigas, mi amigos, señor, señora, Rose the Melon Black. I love you all. Jat, ting, sisiguila rin. Jat, ting, jat, ting. Jat, sisiguila rin, direkto. Jat, ting, sisiguila job sinamay. Shout out. Makandir, mayroon akong idinabati. Shout out everyone. Bye-bye. Till next time. I love you all.